what's going on everybody? This is Ryan with Ninja Transfers, and in this quick video I'll be showing you all the different specialty transfers we offer here at Ninja. We have a ton of different options. We're not just doing standard DTF anymore. Let's jump right into it. One of the most requested ones before we launched it was the puff transfers here. These are a one color screen printed puff transfer available right on ninjatransfers.com. It's nice to add, a little bit of extra texture to your designs, really make them pop up off the shirt, of course, with that nice puff effect. Like I said, they are a one color transfer, so keep that in mind when you're going to place the order, and you are able to upload your artwork there and select from our different colors to kind of choose from when you put that order together. And they do come with a minimum of 10 pieces. Our foil transfers, we have both silver and gold available. Now these are done strictly through our gang sheet option. Of course, you still find them under that same tab as everything else, but it'll take you right to the gang sheet builder. What's important for these, of course, with being silver or gold, they are still also one color designs. So when you are putting your artwork together to then lay it on the gang sheet, it is important to keep in mind that you're using a one color design. You can see still with the foil, we can still get nice fine details here, thin lines and all that, just in that nice kind of shiny finish there. Glow in the dark. This is also something that you are only able to do through the gang sheets. It doesn't have to be a one color design, but the lighter the color that you use in your design, the better the glow effect is going to be. So I wouldn't really recommend like a navy blue or black, but definitely white or kind of these lighter colors are definitely gonna glow very nicely. Going from there, flipping the shirt around here, it's our glitter transfers. These, you can do full color designs, also available as a gang sheet. Basically, it's printed on a special DTF glitter film. So you press it, peel it, still gonna print the ink, but then give it that nice sort of glittery finish across all of your artwork there. Was another one that was highly requested, and we've got it here. Our very, very new, very popular spangle transfers. These are similar to the Rhinestone Transfers that I'll show you in a little bit, but the minimum is only at 6 pieces, and you get 3 colors to choose from. As you can see here, it's great for text and kind of larger designs, with not super fine details, just because, of course, we are laying out little discs for you to then heat press onto the shirt, but it has that nice little shimmer effect to it, very similar to the Rhinestone, but the Rhinestones are, of course, a little bit more substantial on the actual rhinestones themselves. We can do them as either just a straight up kind of crystal, like a clear rhinestone, or we can kind of mix and match those colors. You're able to go and choose those. Obviously heat pressable to any fabric, as all of these are. These come at a minimum of 25 pieces on the Rhinestone Transfers. So if you have specific questions about if your artwork is going to work well with these or anything like that, you can always either leave a comment on the video here, reach out to us at Ninja Transfers. If you want us to take a look at your art, we're always happy to take a look at it.